everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you one of my all-time favorite recipe, delicious okra soup with fresh fish straight from the sea. After buying your fresh fish from the source, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. These are my ingredients: my red oil, my chopped okra, my salted fish, fresh fish, and my vegetable oil. Whether you are a seasoned chef or just getting started in the kitchen, this recipe is sure to impress you. So stick around as I guide you through each step of this process. Happy cooking! In case you haven't subscribed to Atlantic channel, please do and share, like and subscribe. Wow! Now our delicious okra soup is now ready. Please don't come alone. Come with your friends. You will really enjoy this meal. But I just thought of something. To make this delicious okra a complete meal, I thought of preparing akple. Guys, what do you think? Akple is made with just a corn flour, only corn flour. Just stay tuned and observe.